Hello folks, I wanted to share with you what I'm seeing here on a kitchen exhaust fan that's going for out the exterior, which is great to do. But this is a new construction, as you can see, but look at the gaps all the way around it. Instead of trying to seal that up, they're just going, and then they're as you can see right here, we're just about ready to start hanging drywall. And so, what do you think the guys are going to do? They're just going to slap that up. They're not going to care one bit about that. And hopefully somebody on the outside will take care of it, but they're going to just roll right on through it too. And, but yeah, daylight, come on, come on. See, this is what you're looking for. This is why you hire somebody to come take a look at this kind of stuff. So you know what you're getting. This is the stuff that causes great amount of trouble in the future. There's little stuff like this. Give us a call, Galloway Building Services. That's why we get hired every day. Come in here, try to help everybody out. Be an extra set of eyes, make sure you're getting a great job. And hey, if you like our videos here, hit like and subscribe. Follow us. We greatly appreciate it, and you can share with others what you're learning yourself.